In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect A50 to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly set up and use your Astro A50 headset on a PlayStation 5 console. So, to start, you will need to ensure that the mode switch on the base station is set to PlayStation. So, if you look at your transmitter or the base station, you will be able to find a little toggle, and you just have to make sure that it is set to PlayStation. Even if it says PlayStation 4, you will still be able to use it on a PlayStation 5 console instead. With this done, you will start to plug it in. So plug the micro USB cable into the base station and the other end, which usually will be USB, into the PlayStation 5 console. Next, plug the optical cable into the PlayStation 5 optical port and the other end into the optical in port of the base station. With this done, you will be mostly good to go. Your A50 wireless headset will be prepared to the base station. You will need to charge your headset before use, however. So to do this, use both hands to reseat the headset into the base, and once it is properly connected, it will be detected as a USB device. Your headset will begin charging, and once it has sufficient battery, you will be able to take it out of the base station and use it as the default output device. So just make sure that it is sufficiently charged, and as long as the base is properly connected to your PlayStation 5 console, you will be able to go over to the settings, and under the audio devices, you can choose it as the default output and input device to make sure that it is working properly. Now, all of the audio being output through your PlayStation 5 will go over to the Astro A50s instead. It is plug and play, so as soon as the base station and the headset are sufficiently charged and set up, they will work on your PlayStation 5 console. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect A50 to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.